Here, Danny and I are installing some 4x8-foot sheets of pine paneling.
Now, it's always a good idea anytime you're installing paneling to have a drywall backing. It really helps to keep the paneling nice and flat when you're installing it. But the problem can be, because of the color of the drywall, it can shine through if there's any shrinkage in the seams of the paneling.
And even if the paneling doesn't shrink at all, sometimes the drywall will show through because the seams just don't fit nice and tight. Here you'll notice the little white stripe is showing. If you don't take care of it now at this stage, after you're done, you can have little white stripes showing every 4 feet throughout the room. So to solve that problem, what we're going to do is, before you slide that out of the way, Danny, let me mark it. What you do is run your pencil along this seam, just to mark where it's going to be on the wall. Okay, move that out. And then you can just use a can of black spray paint to spray a stripe right down along where that seam is. You don't have to worry about being too neat about it. It's a little wobbly, but that'll hide any gaps. And then when you slide this over, if there's any shrinkage, the black paint will hide it. Now, the reason we use black paint and not brown, which is actually the color of the paneling, is if you notice the edge of the paneling actually is black, so it'll match it perfectly.